So what I've got here is the Insta360 Ace and the Insta360 Ace Pro battery. This is a replacement battery, or if you just need extras for your camera. Let's go ahead and open it up here. Now inside the box, you're going to get the safety guidelines and the instructions. The battery capacity is 1650 milliamp hours. The battery comes in a really nice plastic case. Nice and secure in there. It says Insta360 on it. We'll open that up and there's the battery itself. Just like the original. It's got a little pull tab on here for pulling it out of your camera. And the case here as well has a little spot that you can hold an extra micro SD card in. That's super handy. And then to put it in your camera, just open up the side door and slide it in the correct direction and shut it just like that. And you can pull it out with that little tab that I showed you. And again, that is the Insta360 Ace and Ace Pro official battery.